Hi ladies! Alright, I like to get things done early, so this Wednesday, my sister and I are going to a local wine and cheese type event. It's going to be in Paso Robles, which is about 300 miles north of San Diego in the northeastern corner of San Luis Obispo. If you're not familiar with Paso Robles, it's known for amazing wineries, olive groves, and is a mecca for artisanal cheesemakers. My sister is really good at finding unique, cool, kind of fun little ideas. And then of course she invites me. It's going to be 4 days and 4 nights. They're calling it a private event, but there's going to be 6 other people there. We're all staying in this big, huge farmhouse. It's like a B&B. They have an on-staff chef, and I guess it's supposed to be pretty fun. And I thought that I would show you how I pack for 4 days for something like this, just for a little bit of inspo. Paso Robles is very casual. Think cows, goats, very rural, but cool wineries. So I don't want to get dressed up, but I still want to look cute. We always want to look cute. I don't care where we go. For the train ride there, that is another story I will tell you in a second. I'm thinking I'm going to bring a light cotton striped shirt, and since it's still warm out, white shorts. This is a longer shirt, so it'll kind of go like that. It's comfortable, it's loose fitting, it's relaxed, but it's still cute. It's still going to be comfy. And then for shoes, I'll take these. These are very comfortable, they're pillowy, and it's a good neutral color, so these are probably the shoes that I'm going to wear about the whole time I'm there. I'll take one other pair, but this is kind of the game. Okay, if you are ever thinking of flying Alaska Airlines, do what you want to do, but I will never do it again. Here's what they're doing. We were to leave Wednesday morning. We get about a week ago, oh, we've changed your flight. So I'm thinking, you know, big deal, half hour. Oh no, they changed it from Wednesday to Thursday. So we would have missed the entire first day of the event. And you know how that mucks it up when you're going on vacation? I've also read on several other sites that they're doing the same thing to many other flyers. One family had a flight scheduled to go to Hawaii. Alaska canceled at the last minute, rescheduled it for days later. Hotel reservations, rental car reservations, they're not giving you your money back and they're penalizing you. If you're thinking of flying Alaska, I wouldn't. My sister and I booked a train ride. We leave at 4:40 a.m. and it's an 8-hour train ride. We're going to be going to different wineries. We'll go cheese tasting, and yes, I'm a vegan, but you know, I can just be there for the experience. It's not a big deal. I am going to wear these 2 dresses. They're very comfortable, they're very cute, they're maxi, they're cotton. I got them on Amazon, $35, $40. Easy to travel in. I can scrunch them up and put them in my carry-on, and oops, they dropped. Both are going to go with these comfy shoes. The second pair of shoes that I'm going to bring, because I always do that in the event that, you know, you just want a second pair of shoes, I'm going to bring these platform sneakers. They're comfortable, they gave me a little bit of height, they're slip-on, they're padded. Both go with every outfit that I'm bringing. We get to go pet goats. I love animals, you probably know that. So I'm excited to go pet the goats, go see the cows. There's going to be several wineries that we go to. My sister loves wine, and she's actually got a very sophisticated palate versus mine, which she calls a pedestrian palate, which she's right. They have a chef on board at this particular home. He's gonna make us, you know, I guess whatever we want. Hopefully it's not gonna be like pancakes and French toast, because, you know, I don't wanna do that. They have 2 big porches on the outside of the house. It looks just like really fun, really chill. There will be 6 other people there. I don't know who they are. It gets pretty cold in the evenings, like low 40s to high 40s. We're going out to dinner, and I want to look cute, but I want to be warm. So for the first night, I am taking vegan leather pants. They are stretchy, relaxed fit, and let's see, what sweater? Oh, this one. This sage green sweater. It's loose fitting, but it's comfortable, and this will be nice and warm. For night 2, a pair of jeans. These are the Pilcro jeans that I showed in my last petite video. They're cropped. They've got front pockets, back pockets, high-waisted with a thick band, really comfortable. Then I'm going to bring a lightweight sweater. This is lightweight, it's cute, but notice that what I can also do is I can wear this sweater with either one of the pants, this sweater with either one of the pants. I can also put this sweater with these cute white shorts if I change my mind. I love to bring all neutrals because I can mix and match them on the fly. Jewelry, I'm not bringing anything other than just what I'm going to wear on the plane, train. one bag. This isn't a fancy place. Let's see, it should be neutral since I want it to go with everything, but it needs to be a crossbody because I want hands-free. This one. I want to take this. I don't want a black crossbody because I think it's going to be too heavy, so I'll just do a neutral, and this is going to go with everything here. I can fit all of this into a carry-on, and it's not going to be a big deal at all. I'm really excited to go. And I think that about covers it. It's just an easy 4-day trip, and I'll be sure and take lots of video and show you all about Paso Robles. And I know my sister, I promise you, she's already made like a fun playlist that we can listen to on the way up there. She always does that kind of stuff. So we have literally reams and reams and reams of playlists, all labeled with whatever trip it was. Just like when you were growing up, it's something kind of feels like the soundtrack to your life. Play one, it's like, oh my gosh, this is when we went to Hong Kong, or this is when we were all in Paris or Italy, or this is when we were in Paso Robles. It's always really fun, so I appreciate that about her, that she does that. Okay, y'all, that's it. Thank you for joining me in my closet on a Saturday. And until a couple days from now, I'll see y'all soon. Bye.